How to make a TikTok with multiple videos. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Now go to the Videos section as shown. Then tap on Select Multiple at the bottom. After that, select as many videos as you want. You can also rearrange the order of the videos from here. Then tap on Next at the bottom. You can edit them as you like, using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok with multiple videos.